Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting my tutor package under Kai Ayahay Travel Co. For our first tour package, we have Islands Synergy, 3 days and 2 nights Samal Business Tour. This tour is designed for a group of 15 people and is scheduled from September 20 to 22. The package rate is 21,970. This tour is to combine business-related activities with leisure and island experiences in Samal. Package inclusions. The package includes all land transfer by van, boat transfer, accommodation, meals, island tour, leisure activities, entrance fees, and tour guide assistance. These inclusions are provided to make the trip more convenient and organized for the participant. Next is the package exclusion. For the exclusions, the package does not include personal expenses, optional activities, travel insurance, gratuities, or tips. So these expenses will be shouldered separately by the tourists if they choose or need them. Next is the two information and communication technologies in tourism that can be applied in my tour package. First is the mobile travel application. A mobile travel app can provide the group with tour schedules, accommodation information, activity details, meeting times, and notifications. The second one is online communication or collaboration tools. Tools such as messaging and video conferencing platforms can help participants communicate with a tour guide, travel agency, or business contacts. Moving on to our second tour package, we have Discover Cagayan, 3 days and 2 nights nature and leisure escape. This package is good for 10 people with a travel date of September 20 to 22. The package rate is 17,170. So this tour focuses on experiencing the natural attractions of Cagayan while also giving tourists time for leisure and relaxation. Next is the package inclusions. So the package includes travel to and from destination, all land transfer, hotel stay, full board meals, tour guide assistance, airfare, and entrance fees. So these could help provide tourists with a more convenient and comfortable travel experience. Next is the package exclusion. So it includes personal expenses, optional activities, travel insurance, and gratuities or tips. Therefore, tourists should prepare an additional budget for these expenses. And two information and communication technologies in tourism that can be applied in my tour package. First is the QR code technology. So a QR code can be included in the tour package or given to tourists so they can quickly access destination information, maps, schedules, entrance fee details, and safety reminders. This is useful for a nature and leisure tour because tourists can easily get information about the places they will visit. Next is the GPS or online mapping technology. GPS and online maps can help tourists and the tour guide navigate to destinations, hotels, restaurants, and activity locations. It can also help monitor the travel route and avoid getting lost, especially when traveling between different attractions in Cagayan. And that concludes my presentation of the two tour package. Thank you.